What's up, guys? This is Jake. Today we're taking a look at the Midwest dog crate cover. This is specifically to give your dog a little bit of privacy while he's in his crate. Another thing I love about this from the outset is that it is machine wash and dry, which to me is a big benefit of this. So you can see the cloth is right here. Let's just take a look. You can see the dog crate under it. Let's take a look at what this is going to look like once it actually goes on. You can see you've got 4 flaps. Before I actually put it on, you've got 4 flaps, one for this end, one for that end, and then one for the 2 sides. You also have your Velcro, so you can actually stick it to completely conceal it if you'd like. So let's get it off. You can also see kind of the corners right here, nice and simple. So there we go. Now we have the dog crate completely covered up, and again, you can use the Velcro to close the sides. What I personally like to do is to open up this front piece here, and then your dog can see out the front end, but the other 3 walls are all covered with this really nice dog cover. So if you are looking to get a cover for your dog crate, highly recommend this one. I've really liked it. Real easy to wash, real easy to take care of, and I think it's definitely worth picking up. Hope this helps, guys.